very loud here. Just trying to find a place to film. This is like the garden. It's so beautiful here. I really love it here. I spent time in this house for the first 2 years of my life in Germany. And now we come to visit. I mean, we visit quite often. This time we stay a little longer.
Once upon a time, a man who had spent many years trying to puzzle out the meaning.
I love to come up there to take pictures though. It's very beautiful there. Alright, let's find a place to talk. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm still in the in-law house. As you can see in the backyard and background, it's not like it used to be. And in the last video I told you that I'm here for like a week, and today is like now 8 days. We're going home now. I'm a little bit out of my rhythm of working because stay up late, hanging out with friends, and wake up late. Didn't really find a rhythm to do my work, but I enjoyed very much to be here with my mother-in-law and with the family. Basically, it's so beautiful, eat together, talking and laughing. I just want to stop by and let you know about this top, this bra. I don't know if you know about this BFF bra. Many of you already made it, and I want you to know that no matter how many designs I'm coming out with, how many designs that I create, I mean, this is still my favorite bra, and I wear like this when it's very hot outside, and I wear under the clothes when it's a little bit warm, like when it's a little bit cold, I mean, and I need to be more warm, so I wear it just like a bra. I want you to know that don't wait for my new video tutorial. Even though how much you love my crochet tutorial, I want you to know that there are so many video tutorial already. If you don't see it yet, have a look here. Just click on playlist, and over here is a playlist of a tutorial, lots of video tutorial for you. And today I actually want to tell you about this top. It's called She. I don't know if you ever see this tutorial, because I don't think many of you appreciate this video tutorial so much, because I don't see anyone make it and wear it. So I just want to remind you that have a look, because one of our members, Stephanie, she made this top and look amazing. And I just think that if you have a look, and you will see how beautiful this top, the She, and maybe that will inspire you to make one for yourself as well. Especially the weather is changing now, and the She top will be just perfect for the transition from summer into autumn. And even though you wear under your jacket or thing, like, gonna be super cool and cute to have this layering. I'm going to announce officially the gold membership on my website, and if you want to take this opportunity to grab this membership before it's become, you know, the original price, then you can do it now. I put the link under this video for you. Have a look and read through everything. If you have any question, you know who to ask. You can contact me, or you can just join us in our Facebook group. There are many members there, and many are very active every single day. If you have questions either with the video tutorial or the written pattern, there's someone there to help you. Even though I'm not there, if I'm not available to talk to you, we have a very beautiful members to help you there. And basically just come and hang out with us, because I'm there also when I don't have any, you know, like journey to go or thing to do. I'm always there, and I can respond faster than YouTube, because, you know, YouTube take some time. So I want to invite you there, and let me know in the comment below when you look through this playlist that I just show you, which design is your favorite one. I want to know which the design that I made in the past from 2016 until now, which one is your favorite one. I want to see and to get to know you better. And also let me know if you have Instagram. I want to find you on Instagram, so leave your Instagram name below this video. Also, if you have Facebook, if you have a page, you can put everything down here so we can connect, and this way we can also see each other work. But one thing, you cannot really put the URL link directly in the comment section, because YouTube will think that you are spam. Just put the ad and your name on Instagram so I can check you out as well. All right, have a beautiful day. I'm going home today, and I'm gonna get back to work. Also, I want to make more video about, you know, helping you to run your crochet business, as there's something I want to talk to you about Google document that will help you as a designer to make everything easier to like track your pattern and so on. Let me know in the comment below if you have anything more to know, anything related with crochet and the business. I would like to do that video for you. And of course the tutorial, the next tutorial is gonna be this beautiful top. And this design is a Marilyn, inspired by the beauty of Marilyn Monroe. I already have a written pattern on my Ravelry and Etsy shop. If you want to grab it now, you can do it just right now. Alright, I see you next time. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell next to it so you don't miss any upcoming video. If you love this video, just kiss that like button and I know that you love it. See you next time. Bye bye.